joke's on you, Cricut, to be able to cut these. Reading tracker bookmarks. A sword with some roses. So I've been wanting to release coloring bookmarks for a while. I did a poll over on Instagram and a lot of you guys said that you would be interested in coloring bookmarks or that your kids would be interested in them, but they're really fun. And if you like adult coloring books, you find them relaxing, I think you'll really like these, especially this bundle. It's very intricate and it takes a little bit longer, but it's very relaxing, and then you can use them afterwards if you like to read. So Cricut's last update, it now shows on the print setup that required white matte material like sticker paper is necessary to print and cut on your machine. Well, joke's on you, Cricut, because I've been cutting glossy stickers for years, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to be able to cut glossy paper with my Cricut Explorer Air 2. So in case you see that message and you think, oh my gosh, I can't make glossy stickers, you definitely can. I just printed and laminated my stickers, so I'm gonna show you how I set it up to run through my Cricut. I have my Cricut mat. This is just the standard grip. And then we have my sticker sheet, and it is laminated. And this is glossy paper, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna smooth it out on my Cricut mat. Now, what I do is I take matte Scotch tape and I'm going to tape all of the registration lines where the Cricut actually reads and knows how to cut your sticker sheet. So just take a small little piece and just place it right along that registration line. And you're going to do this all around. Okay, so now that I have all the registration lines taped with matte Scotch tape, I'm going to go over the lines again with a black Sharpie. So of course it kind of sucks to have to do that to make glossy stickers because you're kind of wasting tape. But it does work. It's the only way I found that works where I can actually cut glossy stickers. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you one more step I take to be able to cut these. So the final thing I do to be able to cut glossy stickers is I actually cut with my Cricut lid closed. So I will show you. I just open it and just keep this top lid closed because it helps keep the light out of the Cricut, which will also reflect off the glossy paper and will blind the sensor. So you can cut with the lid closed. So that is what I do. If you didn't catch my YouTube short or my Instagram reel that I recently posted, I just made some reading tracker bookmarks. This is my very first bookmark that I've ever made that you can actually write on, and I love how they turned out. This one was just like a little practice test that I did for the reel, so I removed the tassel because I want to make one that I can start fresh with. But they're really cute, so if you like keeping track of all the books that you've read, it's really fun, and these are currently available on my website and Etsy if you would like to check them out. So if you've been watching me for a while, you may know that I am an avid reader. I love fantasy and romantasy. They are my favorite genre. So I've been wanting to make some stickers inspired by that genre for a while, and I'm really happy how this rose and sword turned out. I think it's really pretty, and it just gives me fantasy vibes. And I have two more stickers I'm going to be making today that also are inspired by fantasy books. You've already seen a clip of me starting the second one, which is going to be a clear dragon sticker. And then the third one is going to be more of a quote and my favorite type of character. that's it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.